PyTest provides a wide variety of command line options to control the test execution. So far, we have used the option to run the test based on a specific module name, and to do that we have simply provided the modules file or path to the PyTest command. Now we will see how we can run the test with a specific tag or marker. Markers allowing us to categorize our tests and then choose which ones to run or skip. To start using markers, we need to mark our test functions in the code. We can do this using the following decorator at pytest.mark.markerName. Let's do the same for one more test, which is located in another module. Now the tests are marked and we are ready to give it a run. So go to terminal and here remove the part with the module name. And use the -m option followed by the marker name. Hit enter and as you can see the tests are running. We have 4 runs because we have the 2 tests functions and each test was set to run on Firefox and Chromium. It's a good practice to register your custom markers in configuration files. This ensures that PyTest recognizes these markers and prevents warnings about unregistered markers. And that's something we will cover next.